These are going to be fried real hot on the flat top. All right, let's get on this. Now listen to this. Ooh-wee. Hear that sound. Look at this. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh man. Telling you. No, you're not going to get this out of your frozen food section at the grocery. Trust me. So, you know a fishmonger locally or a fisherman, you got to check them out, I'm telling you. This is what they'll serve up for you, huh? Nice. Beautiful. You can just smell that sweet butter getting on that. Are you kidding me? There's just no more words for this. All right. Perfect. More butter.
It's number 2.
Okay. I got to get a close-up shot of that, man. Let me just, I'm sorry. Get out of the way, chef. Look at this. Oh. Oh. You kidding? There you go. Now, find a restaurant that'll serve you up this. I'll tell you what, it'll change your life. Look at that. Look at that.
Who's got the forks?
Whoa. All right, we're not going to use any fancy-ass plates to serve this up. We're going to eat it right off this board. But let me see here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. There you go, baby. Look how flaky. Just wonderful. Perfectly done. Moist. All right. There's I think there's nothing left to do now but eat this, man. Oh, look at this. See? What the heck? All right. I'm gonna. A long time waiting for this to be done and prepped, but it's worth it, man. So this is the part, like we're saying, we're gonna eat it in front of you here. So, everybody, just dig in.
No apologizing?
No apologies. We can do that in a little bit, but we'll do that. Oh,
This is Jitterbug's catch.
are you kidding me? Yeah, just get right in here. Yep. All right. Yeah, I see.
How's that for a bunch of bones?
Shit.
I just don't want you to choke.
No.
No
I've
choking.
been eating fish for decades. Oh, I can pick 2 bluefish.
Paul, you better try that like a chicken. Paul, you better take that like a chicken.
Damn. Boy, raccoons are being good tonight, huh? With some of the scraps sitting around here. Christ.
Wow, camera.
Man, that came out of there.
Bring that camera over here. I gotta say something real quick.
You right in there? Green in there?
And that's how Jitter does a fluke. Keep them whole, buddy. Keep them whole. And give them a little slip slap.
Yes.
Turn into a masterpiece.
That's what you do.
Look at that.
Buddy.
Oh my God. This is a meetup right here.
I want to share a piece of this tail. Who wants a piece?
You're a good guy. Here you go.
Yeah.
And that skin's phenomenal.
Oh my God, try the tail.
Beautiful. Thumbs up. Nice. All right. Cameraman.
Look at now it's as white as the jig I caught it on.
Yeah.
Look at it. Just as white as the jig I caught it on. Yeah, put that right in. Just for you.
Yep. Good. Martha.
Nice. Put some more lemon on it. And you want more lemon?
There you go. Oh man. So you going out later, Jitterbug, get some more of this bit? You know?
I'll take the whole week off.
Yeah,
Just go
you
down.
don't-
I'll live at the causeway for the next few days.
Started. All right.
Yeah, turn that back on. Let's throw those collars and heads on there.
Colors and
Yeah.
heads on there.
We got collars and heads to go. We don't need no paper.
Oh yeah. Let's fry up them heads. Bam. Damn, that was good.
Wow.